Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on your Chipotle account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chipotle.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Chipotle, where you can either log into your account if you already have one or sign in and create a new account by clicking on the respective buttons. If you have forgotten your password, click on the sign in button and you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. Now simply click on the forgot password button underneath the password box and you will be asked to enter your email address. Simply type in your email address that you used to open your Chipotle account and click on the continue button. Once you click on continue, you will receive an email within your email address which will contain a link that will allow you to reset your password. Just click on this link and you will be redirected to the change password page. Just type in your desired new password within this page and proceed forward and your password will successfully be reset. After this, you can go back to the login screen and use your new password along with your email address to sign into your account successfully. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Chipotle. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.